Good morning, students. Here we are going to start a chapter based on Roman numerals. I know that you have already learned Roman numeral in class 3, but here we are doing some revision work and we will learn some new thing also. So first, when we are going to learn Roman numerals, it will be easy for us if we keep one thing in our mind, that there are few, that means there are at least seven key numerals. There are at least 7 key numerals. These key numerals, if you are habituated with these key numerals, if you are able to memorize, and if you will understand the key numerals, it will be very easy for you to write any Roman numerals of any Indo-Arabic number. These key numerals are 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. What I said? Again I am repeating: 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. So how it look like? I know, everybody how it looks like, but still for your help and for my satisfaction, I am going to repeat this. This 1 looks like I, V looks like capital, 5 looks like capital V, 10 looks like capital X, 50 looks like capital L, 100 looks like capital C, 500 looks like capital D, and 1000 looks like capital M. So you can see on the screen that the key numerals are given. So whenever you require, you can take the help of these Roman numerals, but not all the time, because it will not be available in your examination copy. So that you have to memorize. Again I am repeating: 1 looks like capital I, 5 looks like capital V, 10 looks like capital X, 50 looks like capital L, 100 looks like capital C, 500 looks like capital T, and 1000 looks like capital M. So now there are some Hindu-Arabic numbers which we will convert into Roman numerals. The first number is 15, that means 1, 5. But whenever you will write 15, don't do that mistake. Don't write 1 and 5. No, 15 means 10 plus 5. Don't write 1 and 5. If you write 1 and 5, 15, then that will be a mistake. So if you have the Hindu-Arabic number 15, you have to write 10 plus 5, that means capital X, capital V. And one thing you keep it in your mind, that if I want to add any number, we have to put that number in the right hand side of the given number. If I want to subtract any number from a number, we have to put that number in the left hand side of that given number. So here you see your number is 15. So first I have written X, that means 10, and then I have written 5, that is then I have written 5 in the right hand side, that means 10 plus 5, that is 15. In that way we will continue our lesson. This is a very basic number. So now we will move to some number B. You see, my number is 49. So easily we can write 40 plus 9. But how will you write 40? One thing also, it's very important, that in Roman numeral rules, we cannot repeat our number more than 3 times. So if I want to write 40 by using tens, then we have to write 10 in 4 times. That means 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. But that we cannot do. So what I told, that we can write a number maximum 3 times. So now what to do? Now we know that L stands for 50, and if I want to get 40 from this 50, I have to subtract 10 from this 50. So L stands for 50, and if I put X the left hand side of L, that means 50 minus 10, that is 40. Now your 40 is ready. Now it's 10, that means 1 and capital X. I and capital X, that means your complete number will be X, L, I, X, that is 49, 40 plus 9. Now the next number. The next number is 103. It's very easy. You know how to write 100. 100, C stands for 100. So we will write C and then 3. That means 1, 1, 1. That is 103. No problem. It's very easy. Now we will move to the next number, 305. 305, that means 305. So if I want to write 300, then easily we can repeat 3. We can repeat 100 3 times. That means C, C, C. Because as I told you, we can repeat our Roman numeral maximum 3 times. So here my number is 300. So I can easily repeat C, C, C and then 5. Then 305 means 100 plus 100 plus 100 and 5. That is C, 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 5. Am I clear? I think it is clear. Now we will move to the next number, that is 228. 228. That is also very easy. 200 means 100 plus 100. That means 6, 6. That means C, C. Then 20. That means 10, 10. And then 8. That means 5, 1, 1, 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. So my number is 100 plus 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this is the number 228. CCXX5111. So now my next number is 450. So why 450? Now again there may be a confusion that you one thing you have to keep it in your mind, that you cannot write Roman numerals more than 3 times. So here 400 I cannot write as C, 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 C. So now again I have to opt that method, that means the subtraction method. So one thing that we know, D stands for 500. So if I write D first and then if I put C the left hand side of D, that means 500 minus 100. 500 minus 100 means 400. Then 400 and then L. L stands for 50. So 450. I think up to this it is clear to everybody. Now we will move to a bigger number, little bit bigger and little complicated number, but I think it will be also very easy for you. Then some number G, that is 637. You see 600, it is not difficult to write because we know how to write 500, we know how to write 100. So 500 plus 100, that means DC, 500 plus 100. When we have to add any number, we have to put the number in the right hand side of the number. So I have put C in the right hand side of D, that means 500 plus 100, that is 600. Now 30 means 10, 10, 10, that means X, X, X. Now 7, that means V, 1, 1. So my number 637, my Hindu Arabic number 637, I will write as D, C, X, 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 V, I. So this is the 637. The next number is H. You see, this number is also very, very interesting. And the way we will write the number, that will be also very interesting. You see, I have a number 989. So we again I am repeating that we cannot repeat a Roman numeral more than 3 times. So 900 I cannot use by writing 9 times 10, 9 times 100. So now I have to take the help of subtraction. So here we know how to write 1000. 1000, M stands for 1000. So if I subtract 100 from 1000, then obviously I will get 900. So here I will write 1000 minus 100 plus 80 plus 9. So 1000 minus 100, that means CM. You see, M stands for 1000 and C stands for 100. So I put C at the left hand side of M, that means 1000 minus 100, that is 900. Then 80. How will I write 80? 80 means 50, 60, 70, 80. That means L, 10, 60, 10, 70, 10, 80. So L will be followed by, then there will be L and there will be 3 tens. And 9, you know how to write 9, that I and X, capital I, capital X. So again, you see, again I am repeating, 989 will be written as 1000 minus 100 plus 80 plus 9. So our Roman numeral number will be CML XXXIX. Now, the next number is 354. 354, here 300, so we have the option to write 3 times. We can write 100 3 times. So directly I have written CCC, that is 100 plus 100 plus 100, that is 300. Then 54, L stands for 50 and 1 I and V, that is 4. So my number 354. If I want to write this number in Roman numeral, I will write CCCLIV. Now, the next number is 509. It is also very easy. I know how to write 500 and how to write 9. So I will write D. D stands for 500. I, capital X, that is 9. So that is 509, not very tough. Now the number is 83. Again 83, I have to write 83. So how will I write 83? I cannot repeat any number more than 3 times. So here we know how to write 50, we know how to write 10. So if I write 50, then 10 60, then 10 70, then 10 80. That means capital L, capital X, capital X, capital X. That is 80, and then 3. That means I. That is 83. Now, one more number is, now the next number is 179. So 179, we know how to write 100. That is C. 79, 179. So we have to write 70 first. So again, we will opt this method. I will write 50, that means L, then 10 60, then 10 70, then L, C, L, X, X, and then 9, that means I and X. So my number 179, that is 100 plus 50 plus 10 60 plus 10 70 plus 9 79. So number will look like C L X X I X. So this is the number we can write. We can convert Hindu Arabic number to Roman numeral in this way. But there are some key numerals, as I told you at the beginning of the lesson. Please try to memorize these key numerals, and it will be easy for you if you can properly memorize this number. It depends upon the practice. If you practice more, you will get the result. And you please try on different numbers so that your number will be on your fingertips. So 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. That means 1 I, V, all caps, capital I, capital V, capital X, capital L, capital C, capital D, capital M. These are the numbers if I take the help of this number, it will not be very difficult to write any Roman numeral, to write any Hindu-Arabic number in Roman numeral, or any Roman numeral number to Hindu-Arabic number. So today up to this. Tomorrow or next class we will come. I will join the next class with some more Roman numerals facts, and we will practice more Roman numerals number. Till then, bye bye everybody.